Hello everyone and welcome to this Java tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to use the Eclipse editor. Remember that after you download Eclipse, you have to download Java separately. When you open the Eclipse editor after downloading it, you will land on the welcome screen. You can close the welcome screen by clicking on the X beside the welcome. Once you close the welcome screen, you will land in your workspace. Here you can create as many Java projects as you want. Let's begin by creating our first Java project. To do that, under the Package Explorer, click Create Java Project. Once you do that, you can name your project. I will name my project First Java Project. Once you do that, click Finish. And then when it asks you if you want to create a module, click Don't Create. When you look to the Package Explorer, you can see that your Java project is there. Click the small arrow beside it, and then you can see that there is a source folder. We need to create a class under that source folder. To do that, right-click on it and go to New. Under New, choose Class. Here you can name your class. I would recommend that you name your class the same thing as your Java project. Java project. And under the which method stubs would you like to create, click the public static main void. This is the main method, so you won't have to type it all over again. And then click finish. Now you can see that you have created a Java project for yourself. As you can see that the Eclipse editor has made our class for us and declared the main method. Now let's create a simple Java program that outputs a message to the user. To do that, write system out.println, and as you can see that the Eclipse editor is providing us with suggestions. To implement those suggestions, you can simply go on the suggestion you want and click enter. Now within these parentheses, put double quotations and write anything you want. So hello world. And once you click run, you have to save your Java project. Click OK. And as you can see that on the console below, Hello World prints as expected. This was just a quick walkthrough through the Eclipse editor. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and help me reach 100 subscribers on this channel. Also, don't forget to hit the like button as I want to reach 100 likes.